Hey, hi. In this very short tutorial, we're going to see how to operate the logic gate simulator that is within your ILS. So let's say you want to add two inputs. So what you do in this dropdown is go and select input, and then you're going to press on add node, and then this will add a particular input. Now, let's say you want to add one more. You again ensure that this is on input, and then you add node again. So this will add two inputs for you. Now, let's say you are testing for a NAND gate. Now, again, from here, you go and press NAND gate, and then you press a node, and then a NAND gate is added. Now, to join these in the input to the gate, all you need to do is press here and then drag and join it there. So similarly, you do it here as well. So now you see that both the inputs are connected to the gate. Now, to add an output, you again go here and choose output and then press add node. And this will add the output for you. Now, to connect it, again, you press this and then you join. Now, if you see the input here, it is off and off, which means that both of these gates are off. If you want to turn one of them on, you go here and then you press. This means that the gate turns on. If you want to press the other one on, you press this on as well. Now, depending upon your inputs, your output will change. For example, if I switch this off, you see that the output is in yellow. So if the output is in yellow, or if anything is in yellow, it means that it is on. If it is not in yellow, if it is gray, it means that it is off. Once you do this, all you need to do is go down and then enter your inputs in the truth table here. So you see that there's input one, input two, and then you can also add the output that you get from this so that you're testing your hypothesis and making note of it. That's it. Hope that you are familiar with how to use the simulator on the ILS.